There, I don't care if I'm in focus. I just want you to see the new printer. The new Bamboo Lab A1. Which is that one. And then this one right here is the Bamboo A1 Mini. And then right there is the color system, the 4-color system for the two. And I can share that with that one and this one if I want to. That way I didn't have to buy a whole new combo. I could just switch them back and forth. And this one here is my Anycubic Cobra 2 Neo, which is a real little workhorse. And then the other two are behind me in the bedroom now. I moved another one into the bedroom, so there's two in the bedroom. You can't see by the glare of the sunlight coming through the window, but they're back there. And they're the ones that are working right now. I just finished setting that one up yesterday, and I've been waiting for some filament. Anyway, that's the news for today. Bye for now.